been some bit of pressure over the last couple of trading sessions on Ola Electric, and with the third quarter results right at the corner, what's in store for the balance sheet? Puneet is here with more details. Puneet, today as well, 3% downtick, and if you pull up a 5-day or a 1-week chart as well, that will tell you the kind of pressure that has been created on this one. 12 to 13% is the kind of value erosion that investors have already seen. What are you picking up?
Well, it's also very close to its 52-week low of 30 rupees per share as well. And the big headline is that the company could actually cut its guidance in FY26 for sales volume. But there have been some other bad news as well in this particular month itself. So the first biggest takeaway is that, its CFO has resigned. He was one of the key voices in the earnings conference call as well. So it's definitely one that has impacted the company and led to the recent downtick on the stock. The second key takeaway is that there are expectations of a weak Q3 earnings, and we'll get to that in just a bit. While the third one is that the market share has fallen to an all-time low of just 6% in January this month. So it's on a year-to-date basis that we are doing the first 23 months of this month. And 6% is compared to almost 35% that the company used to do almost just 12 months ago. So it's a sharp downtick that we've seen across market share. And promoter selling on the back of this at the end of December was another key trigger. But in terms of the Q3 sales data, that's another key aspect. For FY25 last year, Q3 was almost 84,000 units. That slipped to just 35,000 units. So there was a downtick of almost 58% on the downside. So minus 58% is what the number was. Apart from that, the Q3 preview is something else. Revenue is expected to fall by 41% to almost 615 crores, with margins expected to be EBITDA loss actually be of 180 crores and a net loss expected of 389 crores in this particular quarter. Finally, what brokerages have also cut target prices unanimously with Kotak Securities as well as Ambit being the lowest of 25 and 30 respectively. But the guidance cut is what I want to finally highlight before I wrap up. They had mentioned a sales guidance of almost 2.2 lakh units for FY26. This was cut from the earlier guidance at the start of the year of almost 3.7 lakh units. But given the company's 9th month sales performance, it seems a very bleak picture. Even from 2.2 lakh target, they've only resounded to around 1.4 lakh sales units. And hence, there could be an impending guidance cuts either in Q3 or Q4. But that's the picture on Ola Electric and in the profit intelligence segments. A weak picture and a weak outlook altogether.
Okay, so that's with regards to Ola Electric. Neeraj, your view when it comes to your EV makers, Ola, Ather, all of them. The month probably has been slightly weak. How would you look at trading on these names?
Yeah, actually, I'm not too positive on the two-wheeler space also right now. So because there's been some pressure lately, but if I have to go for a two-wheeler space, I'll rather not go for something like Ola Electric or Ather. I'll rather go for something like a TVS, which is present into electrical two-wheelers also. So I think there TVS would be the best bet as far as investment is concerned.